This is the Royal Master automatic catheter grinding system with an automatic loader on the entrance side. A lifting post is actuated to lift one catheter out from the bundle in front of a laser to identify 0 part, 1 part, or more than 1 part. When it's 1 part, the capstan motor turns and delivers the catheter to the wheel. The next catheter is on deck, ready to go. The TG12x4 has a 12-inch diameter grinding wheel, 4 inches wide. The ram bed position control is a high accuracy with frictionless cross rollerways and 1/10 of a micron resolution on the motor and the encoder glass scale. The HIAC HMI has 3 active screens. We have a trend panel, which is the readout of the gauge. We have the gauge panel, which is the controlling for the gauge. And then the through-feed grind, which is simple features to turn the coolant on or off and the wheel on or off. The wheel washer is a feature that has a power wash behind the grinding wheel within the confinement of the wheel guard to clean the wheel automatically rather than having to dress the wheel should it get loaded with the catheter material. The gauge is on the exit side and it's a through gauge. The Keon's gauge reads the catheter and takes a scan, recording the measurement back to the machine controller and sending the compensation signal automatically. There are 3 Venturi to help keep the coolant contained and keep the catheter moving. The first one is on the entrance side. The second one points back to the wheels on the exit side. And the third one is here before the automatic unloader. The Venturi number 3 will pull the catheter after the grind process into the tunnel, which extends and drops the catheter. Throughput rates are very fast. Changeovers are simple ram position adjustment and perhaps a work rest blade change. The screen has many options for the grind. You can do in-feed grinding. You can do jog different axes. We've got wheel dress, which is the work wheel dress on this machine is an automatic template tracing dresser. You can program how many passes and the depth per pass. There's a servo motor and on the down feed of the quill to advance the diamond, an air cylinder to lift the follower off of the template for the return, and you set your return speed and your dress speed. Here's this dress velocity and the return velocity. Regulating wheel dresser is the same screen, but the regulating wheel is not an automatic, but it does have a motor traverse with a ball screw for the traverse of the diamond. The advancement is manual. The part select screen allows you to create and have a library of all the different in-feed grind jobs. Users, administrative, operator, or technician would have different levels of access. An operator, for example, might not have all of these icons. The administrator and probably the technician would have access to all of them. So that's the Royal Master Model TG12x4 high accuracy screw feed grinder with automatic catheter feeding system. For more information, find us at royalmaster.com.